this shit works.
What is it, man?
Foaming Tire Shine. I don't know if it's SIMONIZ or what the hell it's called, but that's it.
Okay. All right. See what happens. Okay.
It says here, for best results, shake well. Spray on 6 inches from the surface, not on the tread, not on the rim.
Well, I'll put it on the tread anyway. It's a bicycle.
Okay.
Yeah, do the other side too there, dumbass. Do half a fucking job. And then we'll fucking do the front, and then we'll move the bike. And then you can get the parts you couldn't get.
I can get them all, buddy. I'm a special kind of dumbass.
Yeah.
Except for the bottom it's sitting on.
There's a whole, yeah, you missed a whole spot there, man. Right there, you gotta rotate the tire. Push the thing forward and rotate the tire. Pick it up. No.
Oh yeah.
Which you just pick up the back.
Yeah.
Pick up the back and then turn the tire. There you go. Now you can see the whole spot you missed. There you go, Jim.
Sorry. So maybe I'm not that special of a dumbass. There.
All right, so now we just let it. How long
do we wait? We wait for 10 minutes, or until foam disappears.
Oh, okay. All right.
What are you doing, man?
What'd you say? Let's go.
Where are we going? Look at the butt.
Yep.
Look at that job. Astounding. Keep the fucking shadows out of it. Looks good.
Fuck, I see where you missed a bunch of spots. Okay, so what we're gonna do is see how shitty that seat is.
I won't miss that.
Go fucking zap that bitch and see what happens.
Dirty seat, clean foam. Let's see what happens.
Alrighty.
So, sprayed it on the tires and on the seat. When you come around front, you can see the difference. Between that and this. It's like night and day.
So you got some touch-ups to do.
Yeah, I just wanted to leave a spot there so we could see the difference.
Oh, it looks like you left a spot over here too.
Yeah, that's another different spot. But just as an example, I mean, and you don't have to rub, you don't have to scrub it, nothing. So it's a perfect product for a lazy fucker.
What about that seat? How is it slippery?
The seat, wet. It's kind of greasy,
Oh yeah.
but let's see if it's slippery. Oh yeah, you can really slip it.
So you might not want to do that to your seat.
Yeah, don't do your seat. But if you're going for looks great, but not very efficient if you want to stay on the bike. So all in all, for the tire, I'd say good product.
Yeah. Where'd you buy it from?
Canadian Tire.
Yeah.
I still can't pronounce it, but that's what it is. So go get a can or two.
Yeah. Alrighty. That's it.